Day 14. Ngayon medyo mainit o maaraw and stuff. So far so good. Kanina pa ako naghihintay mawala yung araw, ayaw mawala. So, let's just walk it out. Let's just feel the sun. Wanna stay on earth. Ang ganda pala ng morning. Ngayon medyo nagigets ko na si ChatGPT. Sunny is not bad after all. So, much better ko na hina-handle yung school and stuff. Yun na yung update ngayon. Dati, I feel like I'm dying or nakapatong yung buong mundo sa balikat ko. Pagka sa sitwasyon na ako na sa school, walang teacher, sa mga awkward moments, mga ganun. Meron pa ako pag ina-approach ako, umaatake ako ng social anxiety, parang naninigas yung mukha ko, sa yung leeg ko. Hindi ko alam handle yung social situation. Pero, this time na nag-walking or running ako time to time, I can handle much better. Medyo na-handle ko na. Hindi ko tulad dati kasi pakiramdam ko na mamamatay ako or something. It's really hard to describe. Alam mo yung feeling na you inhale and exhaling para mag-calm down, tapos namumutla ka na. Ganun siya. Pero yun nga. So far, so good. Nakakontrol yung fear and yung panic attack or social anxiety. Yun lang yung good benefit so far. Ay napansin ko, every run or every walk, afterward, asa good mood na ako. Automatic. Kaya, parang di optional yung pagiging tamad. Kasi, two option pipiliin ko. Either, titiisin ko yung hirap ng exercise or jogging, or yung hirap ng sadness and depression. Two option. So, yun yung madalas na magandang motivational to walk or to run. If you choose inner pain o external pain. Sa fasting state ako niyan yung Monday. So Monday fasting ako. So every Monday walang pagkain. Kasi di naman ako nag-aaral o nag-review sa okay lang na walang food. So tawag ko yun is Monday fasting event. Para lang mapahinga yung liver, stomach, all my bodies. Kaya walking lang sa Monday. Don't you think you were amazing? Come and get you. Damn, look at that sky. Ito yung sinasabi nila na sobrang busy natin, nakatuko sa cellphone, nakakalimutan natin tumila. Ang ganda. By the way, speaking of my situation in school, make me feel birth on the birth. I don't want talking about my situation. My ego and my insecurity just kicking me. Like, don't talk about that stuff. Bruh, what are you doing? You're revealing your weakness. Check ko lang yung magandang sky. Holy cow, look at that. That cloud is amazing.